If you're using Xampp to build your website locally on your PC, and every single time you start it, for MySql just disconnects. See there? So if I click start, it'll just keep disconnecting all the time. Okay, so there's a simple fix for that, and it's quite simple. All you need to do is go into your computer, double click the C drive, double click Xampp, and then go into MySql, which is there, double click that, and there's your data folder. So the first thing you want to do is to right click and rename that data folder into something like, I'm going to put -old. Okay, so that's renamed. Now I want to create a new folder and call that folder data. Right, so that's that bit done. What you need to do then is double click the backup folder, highlight everything except this file here which is called ibdata1. So hold down the control key and click on that so it's not highlighted, and then all you do then is right click and copy everything, go back to the new data folder that you've created and paste everything into there. Once that's done, go back again, then go into your data old folder, click in the white space and then just hold down the control key and press A to highlight everything, and then again press down the control key and C to copy everything, or you can just right click and copy. Once you've done that, go back to your data folder again and paste everything in there. And once you get to this stage, it'll say there's files already existing, do you want to copy or replace them? Click on skip these files, and that's it, it's done. So now, when I open up Xampp, I'm going to right click and click on Run as Administrator. As you can see, for MySql is now started. So everything is up and running as it should be. So if I double click now on it and then click on type in localhost, as you can see, that's all starting up now. So I hope that helps. If it does, please click on like and subscribe, and watch out for more of my videos. And thanks for watching.